Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are having a good weekend. Today I'm tackling the project I had in mind for a while. I'm making a jewelry holder for my dresser. The top of this dresser is covered with jewelry boxes and is such an eyesore, so it was high time to do something about that and organize my pieces. The design of this tent popped up on my Pinterest several times, so I decided to give it a go. The piece is very simple and easy to make, but it took me a lot of time and effort to cut the wood because my handsaw was not ideal option to cut this board, as the width of the wood was wider than the miter box, and as I had to cut the pieces at certain angle, I struggled a lot. But I'm sure that with the right saw it would be a matter of seconds to cut all the pieces. I cut the wood at 22-degree angle for the parts where those two pieces needed to connect to have a nice corner, and at a right angle, and cut the ends at 45-degree angles to have nicer edges. I'll include all the measurements of this piece in the description box below. After I made sure that the pieces lined up together perfectly, I glued them with super glue as it dries fast and has a strong fixation. To make sure they were secured together, I filled any tiny gaps with the glue, and after that gave the whole piece good sanding. Then I marked the spots where I wanted the wooden dowels to go and drilled the holes, and here I made a huge mistake. I did not consider the fact that the wood was not standing up straight and was angled a certain way, so I had to adjust the drill to make correct cuts. Again, I used super glue to secure dowels in the holes and filled in any gaps I mistakenly made. here you clearly see the mistake I'm talking about. The top two dowels are wobbling in the holes because I had to re-drill them, and the bottom one is sitting tightly in its place because I drilled the hole correctly at first try. For painting the piece, I'm using acrylic paints. Golden one was for wooden dowels to give them metallic effect, as the original piece had copper or brass pipes instead of wooden dowels. The combination of black, white and brown paints helped me to achieve the moody look that the stand has now. It looks good against the light walls and ties well with all the decor of my bedroom. I can't express how happy I am with the result. The dresser looks totally different now when all those boxes are gone, and I can finally see my jewelry and pick a piece I want to wear without looking in every box. Thank you all for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and see you in my next one. Bye!